memories are passed down best tangibly through print versus digitally, where they become obsolete very quickly. Let's dive into how to design a wedding album. I'm Vanessa Joy. I've been a wedding photographer for the past 25 years, and designing, selling, offering, and educating my clients about wedding albums has always been one of my main goals, because I know as a photographer that memories are passed down best tangibly through print versus digitally, where they become obsolete very quickly. I'm going to show you how to design wedding albums, first of all, that sell, but also that don't take up a lot of your time. If you haven't already watched the video about an engagement guest book, go ahead and take a look at that one. This one's going to get a little bit more in depth and expand about what we already talked about. I'm using Fundy to design. I've been using Fundy Design for absolutely forever. They are the fastest, the best way to design albums, and if you haven't seen the design for me section yet, this is gonna blow your mind. Now, as a wedding photographer, there are so many other things that we have to think about designing, and that's where design for me, it's gonna blow your mind. So we have to design things like thank you cards, wall art, hopefully, and slideshows that are going to present images to clients in a myriad of different ways. Fundy's new design for me creates collections based on the type of photography you're doing. So there's a wedding photography collection, portrait, engagement, and it's going to create products based on what we know that people typically want for that type of photography. Now, on top of Fundy already having this design for me collection where when you click on it, it will design all 4 of those products like that for you because you've already imported images. You can also create your own custom collection. So maybe you like wall art that, I don't know, has 4 panes on it, or has this certain design, or you like thank you cards that have this specific font, or wedding albums with these specific parameters. You're going to be able to create all of that custom to what you like as a photographer, what you offer to your clients as a photographer. Import your images and just click on that collection that you've customized, and everything is designed for you and done. It is absolutely wild. But us photographers, we're a little bit picky. We like to have some control. So what I typically do first thing when I'm designing a wedding album, I look at Fundy's design, and then I'm going to pull out my hero images. The hero images are the ones that are going to look good horizontally spread across 2 pages, 1 photo across the entire spread. So I go through the entire album and I just look for those hero images, pull them out, and add them to a spread so that everything looks big and grand, and it just creates these break points in the album and breathing points and highlights the images that are really, really awesome. Ultimately, we want to make sure that every moment of the wedding day goes into that album. And if they've already pre-bought a 30-page album for you, do not design 30 pages. Your job is not to design within their parameters, right? You would never stop taking photos because you only promised, I don't know, 300 on a wedding day, right? You always keep taking photos. In the same way, you design this album to the best it can possibly be. Your job as a photographer is to give them the opportunity, give them the awareness of how good their wedding day story can be told. So that's what you're going for. So design this baby the best it can possibly be. With design for me, you can even indicate what lab that you're going to print through. So I work with H&H Color Lab a lot. I'm going to choose H&H Color Lab, and then Fundy will pull up their options they have for albums, their sizes, and then design it according to their size specifications. So everything is done. Not to mention later, you can actually order directly from Fundy. We didn't even get into all the other aspects of what that Design For Me collection can do for you. That's what we'll do next. So make sure that you watch the next video so I can talk about the thank you cards and wall art and some of the other things. Oh, and how you'll end up showing this gorgeous album design that you've created for your wedding couple, showing it to them and presenting it in a way that they're gonna fall in love with it immediately. So stay tuned.